Which way to go to Duckingfield? Let's see. We'll go down here to Duckingfield. Duckingfield. God save England. God save my country. God save England. God save my country. I love my country. I love dear England. I've always loved this country. God bless England. God bless my nation. God bless my blood. And God bless my brothers. God bless my nation. God bless my nation.